Nih,
Kaba Friday. Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubnai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Kurmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïap. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Superintendent of Police ke Eastern West Khasi District uba Jeffrey Y.M. Hoklingdok. Ulai thu bakadon ke AKA ke baki pulit kinti Bniah ha Halor ke Jingïap jong uba Tailin lingdok nong lain. Ya ke ba lalap ya ke met jong u na kedukan sya ke badan hagashnong permadan. USP uloong ba marsin yu jingtip minhinin ke sengi balalap ya ke met yam ki pulit kilahir sya ketu jaka haringkat ber ke crime scene unit bat ke forensic team ban le ya ke badan kambaro bat hadin kata la penkit ya ke met shani grims ban le ya ke postmortem. Ulai thu bala register case hagi kendon jong ke shispa lai BNS bat kidang apru ya ke kaipot jong ke postmortem bat ke jingto ket kan ya be shakman.
Oh, ini dong. Kamu macam itu sih. Kita lagi merah ada ni.
kelem lo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride